Hi, Carrie Wall here. Today I want to talk to you about health, wealth, and the economy. I work in healthy public policy for a regional health authority, and I think that the BC politicians and politicians in general are getting things really wrong economically. It has been known for decades in health promotion that the number one cause of increasing chronic disease and stagnating and lowering quality of life in general and longevity is due to poverty. We have been saying for decades that if we could reduce poverty, it would increase health amongst all demographics of the population. But of course, this is necessarily a political issue because people with lower or stagnant incomes who don't own many assets really struggle to be politically involved. They do not have the time, the capacity, the energy to take on political causes. And so the rich, the wealthy, they have most of the political power and they keep this situation going. Now, economically, we know that the rich are getting richer and the poor are getting poorer, but I don't think it's well understood that the reason the rich are getting richer is specifically because the poor are getting poorer and vice versa. The poor are getting poorer because the rich are getting richer. Because we now live in an asset-based economy, not a labor economy, you can't really get richer by working. You get richer by owning assets, by buying up all the assets. Now, governments have been telling us practically every week, like for years, that the way out of our problems is to grow the economy. We literally hear this from all levels of government, from governments all over the world. We need to grow the economy. The economy is growing. Wealth of multimillionaires and billionaires has been exploding, and I'm sure you know this. But as their wealth explodes, they are stealing wealth and the opportunities to have wealth from the rest of us. They are not necessarily to blame. It's a systemic issue. It's not just here in BC. It's not just here in Canada. It is across the world. It's the mechanism of growing wealth, the wealthy purchasing assets, and then the rest of us, ordinary people, cannot purchase assets, are losing wealth. And all of this is causing everyone to get sicker, lifespans to shorten, chronic disease rates to rise, and of course comes back to me and my expertise with health promotion and healthy public policy. I'm very concerned that this idea of growing the economy is not a good one because the economy is growing, the rich are getting richer, but it's causing the rest of us to be poorer. Housing costs, are skyrocketing. The price for groceries is doubling and tripling, and wages are stagnating. These are facts. I'm concerned about the economy. I have to be political. I think you should be political too. I want us all to be healthier. What this comes down to is we need to tax the super rich, the multimillionaires and billionaires, and lower taxes for income. Income taxes for ordinary working people need to be lower. Wealth taxes for the ultra wealthy need to be a thing so that we can be healthy. Thank you.